Solve the equations using Gauss-Jordan method. First question, x plus y plus z equals to 6, x plus 2y plus 3z equals to 14, x plus 4y plus 9z equals to 36. So to use this method, first we need to write augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix of the given system of equations is, see here, the first row is related to first equation. Write the coefficients of the variables and it's beside write constant term, that is 6. So next one is second row related to second equation. So coefficients 1, 2, 3 and constant number 14. And remember the constant number should be a RHS side, not LHS side. Okay. Next third row related to third equation. So here 1, 4, 9 and here constant number 36. It is called a augmented matrix. So to find out the solution using the Gauss-Jordan method, the process is, see here we have one 3 by 3 matrix. This 3 by 3 matrix convert into a identity matrix with the order 3. That means 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 by applying the elementary operations. Okay, so definitely after applying the elementary operations, here you will get the some 3 values. Those 3 values are called solution of the given system of equation. So x equals to alpha, y equals to beta and z equals to gamma. So to convert this 3 by 3 matrix into a identity matrix, so it is a very important. So observe carefully. So remember we need this answer, this type of answer. So see here 1, here also 1. Okay. Next coming to here, these two values require zeros. So that means here these two values require zeros. So then what I am doing here, first row I am writing as it is 1 1 1 6. Now second row I am changing here R2. I am changing as a R2 minus R1. At the same time R3 change it as a R3 minus R1. Okay, so R2 is replaced with R2 minus R1. That means 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, 14 minus 6 is 8. Next coming to R3. R3 replaced with R3 minus R1. See here 1 minus 1 0, 4 minus 1 3, 9 minus 1 8, 36 minus 6 30. So here 1 0 0 completed. Next coming to second column. Here we required 0 1 0. First we required 1 at this place. So here already 1. Next go to remaining two values will be a zeros. So what are the remaining two values here? One is 1, another one is 3. At these two places we required zeros. So to get the zeros at those two places, what I am doing here, so first of all second row I am writing as it is 0 1 2 8 because I am not changing that one. The third row also I am not changing it now. So 0 3 8 30. Let's get the 0 at this place. To get the 0 at this place, so what I am doing here, R1 replace with R1 minus R2. So R1 minus R2 means, see here 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 it is equals to 0, 1 minus 2 it is equals to minus 1, 6 minus 8 it is equals to minus 2. So now let's get the 0 at this place. So first two rows there is no changes at present, so that is why I am writing as it is. Now to get the 0 at this place, I am replacing the third row with R3 minus 3R2. R3 minus 3R2. So here 0 will come. Next 3 minus 3 into 1. So it is equal 0. 8 minus 3 into 2. 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Next 30 minus 8 into 3. 30 minus 8 3 is 24. So it is equals to 6. So next step is, here we required 1. So that means here. Okay. So to get the 1 at that place, what I am doing, 1 0 minus 1 minus 2 0 1 2 8. Now R3 replace with R3 by 2. So then 0 by 2 0, 0 by 2 0, 2 by 2 1, 6 by 2 is 3. Next at these two places we required zeros. So now I am writing the first row as it is, 1 0 minus 1 minus 2. So second row I am going to change it, and third row will come as it is. So 0 0 1 3. So what I am doing here, R2 replace with R2 minus 2 R3, R minus 2 R3. So then what is the answer will come here, 0 1, here 0, and here 2 will come. Now finally we require 0 at this place. To get the 0 at that place, so here second row will come as it is, third row also same as it is, but the first row I am going to replace with R1 plus R3. Okay, so then R1 plus R3 means 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, minus 2 plus 3 is 1. Now it is exactly in this form. So then what is the required solution? So therefore the solution of given system of equation is x equals to 1, y equals to 2, and z equals to 3. Okay. Second question, x minus 2y minus z plus 1 equals 0, x minus y minus z equals to 0, 2x plus 3y plus 2z minus 5 equals to 0. Let's write the augmented matrix for the given system of equations. But before that, small changes here. In the first equation, x minus 2y minus z, constant value should be RHS side, that is why here minus 1. So second equation is okay. And third equation also, 2x plus 3y plus 2z, constant number, right, RHS side, so 5. Now they are in the standard form. Let's write the augmented matrix now. So it is equals to, see here, first equation coefficients 1 minus 2 minus 1 and constant number is minus 1. Second equation coefficients are 1 minus 1 minus 1, constant number is 0. Next third equation coefficients are 2, 3, 2 and constant number is 5. So here this place we need identity matrix with order 3 to get the answer. So that is why, see here first element is 1, okay, no problem. Next here required 0. So to get the 0 at that place, so 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1. Next to third row, 2 3 2 5. So now R2 replace with R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 1 minus of minus 2 is plus 1, minus 1 minus of minus 1 is 0, 0 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. Next we need 0 at this place. So that is why write first two rows as it is, 0 1 0 1. So here R3 replace with R3 minus 2 into R1. So here R3 minus 2 into R1, R3 is 2, 2 into R1, 2 into 1. So 2 minus 2, answer is 0. R3 3 minus 2 into minus 2, so plus 4. So 3 plus 4 is 7. Next to R3 2 and minus 2 into minus 1 is plus 2. So it is equals to 4, and next here 5 minus 2 into minus 1, so 5 plus 2, it is 7. So next we need 1 at this place, but it is already we got 1. Next we require 0 at this place. So to get the 0 at that place, so what I am doing here, first of all I am writing the last two rows as it is. So now R1 I am replacing with R1 plus 2 into R2, because it is a minus 2. So that is why multiply this 1 with positive 2. So then here R1 is 1 plus 2 into R2. So that is 0. So answer is 1. Next to R2 is minus 2. R1 is minus 2 and 2 into R2 is 2 into 1. So it is equals to 0. Next similarly, so here minus 1. Next to minus 1 plus 2 into 1 is plus 1. So next we need 0 at this place. So I will rub this one. Yeah. So now what I am writing, 1 0 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1. So now third row replace with R3 minus 7 into R2, because here 1 is there. When you multiply with 7, so 7 minus 7 0. So that is why R3 replace with R3 minus 7 into R2. So it is equals to, here 0 minus 7 into 0 is 0. Here 7 minus 7 into 1 is 0. 4 minus 7 into 0 is 4. 7 minus 7 into 1, it is also a 0. So next step is (1 0 0) over 0 1 0 completed. Next here 0 required at this place, but before that we required 1 at this place. So to get the 1, here 1 0 minus 1 1 0 1 0 1. So now R3 replace with R3 divided by 4. So it is equals to 0 0, 4 by 4 is 1, 0 by 4 is 0. Next we need 0 at this place, because we already have a 0. So to get the 0, here 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 0, last two rows written as it is. Now first row replace with R1 plus R3, because it is a minus 1, here 1. So when you adding them, definitely you will get the 0. So here 1 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, minus 1 plus 1 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1. Now observe it, it is a 3 by 3 matrix, identity matrix with order 3. So now the solution is here. Where is the solution? This last column is a solution. So x equals to 1, y equals to 1, z equals to 0. Third problem, 2x plus y minus z equals to 4, 3x plus 5y plus z equals to 16, x minus 2y minus 5z equals to 3. So here constant numbers all are in the RHS side, so then we can write augmented matrix for the given system of equations. So the coefficients of the first equation is 2 1 minus 1 and the constant number is 4. Coefficients of the second equation is 3 5 1 and constant number is 16. Next, coefficients of the third equation is 1 minus 2 minus 5 and the constant number is 3. So this is a augmented matrix. Now we need to get identity matrix with order 3 at this place. So then automatically you will get the required solution at this column. So let's apply the elementary operations to get the identity matrix. So we need a 1 at this place. So to get that answer, interchange the R1 and R3, because 1 is available in the R3. So that is why I am interchanging the R1 and R3. So here R3 will come 1 minus 2 minus 5 3. Next to second row will come as it is 3, 5, 1, 16. Next to third row 1. Third row means first row. So what is that? 2, 1, minus 1, 4. Next to step, we need 0 at this place. So to get the 0, here first row write as it is, and third row also same as it is, but second row replace with R2 minus 3 into R1. So 3 minus 3 into 1 equals to 0. 5 minus 3 into minus 2. So 5 plus 3 to the 6. So it is equals to 11. Next to 1 minus 3 into minus 5. 1 plus 3 5 is a 15. So it is equals to 16. Next to 16 minus 3 into 3. 16 minus 3 3 is a 9. So it is equals to 7. Now we need 0 at this place. So 1 minus 2 minus 5 3 0 11 16 7. So first two rows as it is, and third row R3 replace with R3 minus 2 into R1. So here R3 is a 2 into R1, 2 into 1. So 2 minus 2, answer is 0. Next R3 is 1 minus 2 into R1 is minus 2. So 1 plus 2 here 4, it is equals to 5. Next to R3 minus 1 minus 2 into minus 5. So minus 1 plus 10, it is equals to 9. So next to here R3 is 4 minus 2 into R1 is 3. So 4 minus 2 3 is 6. So it is equals to minus 2. So first column completed 1 0 0. Next to second column. In the second column the middle one should be a 1. So that is why here let me remove this. Yeah, so now first row I write as it is 1 minus 2 minus 5 3, and the last row also write as it is 0 5 9 minus 2. So now R2 replace with R2 divided by 11, because to get the 1 at this place divide with 11. So 0 by 11 is 0 and 11 by 11 is 1. Here 16 by 11. Next to 7 by 11. So let's remove the remaining two steps. Yeah, so it is equals to, so now we need a 0 at this place. So 0 1 16 by 11, 7 by 11, 0 5 9 minus 2. Now R1 replace with R1 plus 2 into R2. So R1 plus 2 into R2. So 1 plus 2 into 0 is 1. Next to minus 2 plus 2 into 1, it is 0. Next to minus 5 plus 2 into 16 by 11. So 11 is LCM, minus 55. 2 16s are 32. So it is equals to minus 23 by 11. So here minus 23 by 11. So next to R1 3 plus 2 into R2. So that is 7 by 11. So 11 is a LCM. 11 3 is a 33. 2 7s are 14. 4 plus 3 7. 3 plus 1 4. 47 by 11. So here 47 divided by 11. So next 0 required at this place. So 1 0 minus 23 by 11. 47 by 11. Next to 0 1 16 by 11. Next to 7 by 11. Now R3 replace with R3 minus 5 into R2. It is equals to, here is a R3 minus 5 into R2. So 0 minus 0 0. Here 5 minus 5 into 1. So it is a 0. Here R3 9 minus 5 into R2 is 16 by 11. So 16 by 11. 11 is LCM. Here 99 minus 5 16s are, it is equals to 80. 99 minus 80, so it is equals to 19 by 11. So here 19 by 11. R3 is minus 2 minus 5 into R2. R2 is what? 7 by 11. So 7 by 11. So 11 is LCM, minus 22, 5 sevens are 35. So it is equals to minus 57 by 11. So minus 57 by 11. So second column also completed, 0 1 0. Next to third column. So in the third column, first we need 1 at this place. So to get the 1, so let me rub this one and this one also. Yeah, let's continue the answer. So first of all, write first two rows as it is. 1 0 minus 23 by 11, 47 by 11. Here 0 1 16 by 11. Next to 7 by 11. Here R3. R3 replace with 11 by 19 into R3. Okay, because we need a 1 at this place, so that is why each term of R3 multiply with 11 by 19. So here 0 into 11 by 19 is 0. 0 into 11 by 19 is 0. See here 11 by 19 into 19 by 11. So 11 11 19 19 cancel. So here 1. So next one is what? Minus 57 by 11 into 11 by 19. 19 ones are, 19 threes are, here 11 11 cancel. So it is equals to minus 3. So finally we got the 1. Next we need 0 at this place. So let's drop this one. Yeah, so it is equals to first row as it is, 1 0 minus 23 by 11, 47 by 11. Next last row also same, 0 0 1 minus 3. So now R2 replace with R2 minus 16 by 11 into R3. 16 by 11 into R3. So here R2 is 0 minus 16 by 11 into R3. That means 0. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Next here R2 1 minus 16 by 11 into R3. So 1 minus 0 is 1. Next R2 16 by 11 minus 16 by 11 into R3. So 16 by 11 into 1. Its answer also a 0. Next R2 7 by 11 minus 16 by 11 into R3. R3 is what? Minus 3. Here LCM is 11. So 7 plus 16 3s are 48. So 7 plus 48 is 55 by 11. So it is equals to 5. So here is a 5. So now finally we need a 0 at this place. So here first of all 0 1 0 5 0 0 1 minus 3. Now R1 replace with R1 plus, because it is already negative, so that is why plus 23 by 11 into R3. See here R1 is 1 and R3 is 0. So 1 plus 23 by 11 into 0 is 1. Next to 0 plus 23 by 11 into 0 is 0. Here minus 23 by 11 into R3 is 1. So 1 into 23 by 11. So it is also 0. Now final answer is here R1 is what? 47 by 11. So 47 by 11 plus 23 by 11 into R3. What is that? Minus 3. So here minus 3. So 11 is LCM. So 47 minus 3 3 is 9. 3 2 is 6. So 47 minus 69. 9 minus 7 2. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 22 by here minus 22 by 11. 11 ones are, 11 twos are. So it is equals to what? Minus 2. So observe the last matrix. What is that? See here. It It is identity matrix with order 3. So then where is the solution? Here the last column is the solution. So x equals to -2, y equals to 5, z equals to -3. Fourth question, 3x plus y plus 2z equals 6, x plus 2y plus z equals to 4, x plus 3y minus 2z equals to 2. In the three equations, constant number is right side, then we can write augmented matrix. So the augmented matrix is, here the coefficient of first equation 3, 1, 2 and constant number is 6. Second equation 1, 2, 1, constant number 4. Third equation coefficients 1, 3, minus 2 and constant number is 2. So here is a we need to get the identity matrix with order 3 and the last column is the answer. So here we need a one answer. So that is why replace row 1 and row 2. Sorry, not replace, interchange. Otherwise row 1, row 3, your wish. So I am interchanging the row 1 and row 2. So 1, 2, 1, 4, 3, 1, 2, 6. Next last one, 1, 3, minus 2, 2. Next we need 1 at this place. So that is why here 1, 2, 1, 4, first row as it is and the last row also as it is. Now replace the second row with R2 minus 3 into R1. Otherwise R2 minus 3 into R3, your wish. So now I am doing R2 minus 3 into R1. So 3 minus 3 into 1, that is 0. 1 minus 3 into 2. So 1 minus 6, that is minus 5. 2 minus 3 into 1. So 2 minus 3 into 1, minus 1. Next 6 minus 3 into 4. So 6 minus 3 4s are 12. So it is equals to minus 6. Next we need 0 at that place. So it is equals to 1, 2, 1, 4. Next to 0 minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. Now R3 replace with R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1 equals to 0. Next to 3 minus 2, it is equals to 1. Next to minus 2 minus 1, it is equals to minus 3. 2 minus 4, it is equals to minus 2. So next we need, so let me rub this one. Next we need 1 at the place of minus 5. So that is why 1, 2, 1, 4 first row. Next 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2 last row. Now R2 replace with R2 divided by minus 5. So 0 by minus 5 is 0, minus 5 by minus 5 is 1, minus 1 by minus 5 is 1 by 5, minus 6 by minus 5, it is 6 by 5. So next we need 0 at this place. Okay, so that is why first I am writing the second and third row. 0, 1, 1 by 5, 6 by 5. Next to 0, 1, minus 3, minus 2. Now replace R1 with R1 minus 2 into R2. So 1 minus 2 into 0, it is equals to 1. Next to 2 minus 2 into 1, it is equals to 0. 1 minus 2 into 1 by 5. So LCM is 5. 5 minus 2, it is 3 by 5. Next to 4 minus 2 into 6 by 5. So LCM is 5. 5 4s are 20. 2 6 are 12. So it is equals to 8 by 5. So next we need 0 at this place. So write first two rows as it is: 1 0, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 0 1, 1 by 5, 6 by 5. So now R3 replace with R3 minus R2. So 0 minus 0, 0, 1 minus 1 is 0, minus 3 minus 1 by 5. LCM is 5, minus 15 minus 1, minus 16 by 5. So next minus 2 minus 6 by 5. So LCM is 5, minus 10 minus 6, so it is equals to minus 16 by 5. So let me rub this. So now we need G1 at this place. So first two rows write as it is: 1 0, 3 by 5, 8 by 5, 0 1, 1 by 5, 6 by 5. So next here R3 replace with minus 5 by 16 into R3, because it is a minus 16 by 5. So minus 5 by 16 into R3. So 0 into minus 5 by 16 is 0. Again 0 into minus 5 by 16 is 0. So minus 16 by 5 into minus 5 by 16. Minus into minus plus. So 16, 16, 5, 5 cancel. So it is equals to 1. And again minus 16 by 5. So its answer is 1. So now we need 0 at this place. So 0, 1, 1 by 5, 6 by 5. So last two rows write as it is. Next 0, 0, 1, 1. Now replace R1 with R1 minus 3 by 5 into R2. R3. So 1 minus 3 by 5 into 0 is 1. Next 0 minus 3 by 5 into 0 is 0. Next 3 by 5 minus 1 into 3 by 5, so it is equals to 0. Next 8 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1. So here 5 is LCM, 8 minus 3, it is equals to 5 by 5, so it is equals to 1. Now we need 0 at this place. So write first row as it is: 1 0 0 1. Last row as it is: 0 0 1 1. Now R2 replace with R2 minus 1 by 5 into R3. So 0 minus 1 by 5 into 0 equals to 0. 1 minus 1 by 5 into 0 equals to 1. 1 by 5 minus 1 into 1 by 5. So it is equal to 0. 6 by 5 minus 1 into 1 by 5. So LCM is 5. 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 by 5 equals to 1. So finally we got identity matrix with order 3. So here is a solution. So x value 1, y value 1 and z value 1.